Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on see all. After click on see all, scroll down and search Google. Click on Google and click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So click on and click on clear cache. After clear cache Google, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix these problems, last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.